the excitement meter is set off again at the prospect of England-born Jamaican target Mason Greenwood finally becoming a reggae boy after new reports suggest he has given up on playing for England. This thing is becoming exhausting though. Yes, Greenwood is a quality player, certainly in a Jamaican context. His talent worth chasing, but it's still potentially ripe with danger for the dynamic of the Reggae Boys team going into the World Cup qualifiers. There will be some massive questions that might have to be answered in the midst of World Cup qualifying battle. How will Mason Greenwood fit into the Jamaican team? How will he cope with the new environment, the new conditions, and the new teammates? How much does he really want to play for Jamaica versus, since England don't want me, let me try this Jamaican thing. We should not be answering these questions on the World Cup qualifying battlefield. It is too risky, and the man become more risky.